Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is put your hair in a high ponytail. Make sure it's at the crown of your head. Make sure that it's also in line with your ears, and then you can just use a heavy bristled brush to make it smooth all around. Then you're just going to secure it with an elastic. Alright, so once you're done with that, you're going to just take another elastic and you're going to make a loop with the hair from your ponytail, holding it with one hand and pulling up with the other. On the bun part of the loop, you want to make sure that it's not too big or not too small. Just enough so that you have enough hair on the end to make a band, which is what we're going to do. If you have really thick hair, it can be a bit challenging. Mine was really challenging. I just kind of cut it out of the video to make it go by faster. But all you really need to worry about is that it's secure and smooth across the front. Once you're finished with your band, you're going to basically just take a bunch of pins and pin down pieces of your bun to give it its shape. I started with a piece from the back of the bun and pinned it into the band, and then I pinned down the sides, and then I just took pieces from the bun and just kind of pinned it down to give it some shape. As you're pinning, I do just want to mention that you should make sure that your band is covered. It looks a little weird when it's not. So as your final step, you just kind of want to pull down your wispies and loosen up your bun a bit to make it more like a messy bun, a pretty one. And then you're also just going to see if you can fix anything. I needed to. I pinned down some hair on the side and then pinned down that piece in the front. And then I also realized I had Mickey ears and decided to hairspray those two pieces of hair together. Lastly, I took some hairspray and cleaned up the back of my head because it was a little frizzy. But yeah.